Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 3 benefits to working from home. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. 1. No commutes. This is the number one reason why everyone says working from home is a big plus. You could save yourself the pain of sitting in slow traffic every day, get more sleep, and get a better start to the day by going to work a little earlier. Since you didn't have to drive to work, your mind is fresh, and going to work doesn't seem like as much of a drag. A second benefit is that it saves money on transportation costs, which are getting more expensive every month. Since the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, gas prices have been going up, which means that each driver now has to pay almost twice as much for gas. But things like grabbing coffee at Starbucks or breakfast on the way out the door no longer need to be done. A hidden cost is the time spent on the commute that could have been spent on other things like family, hobbies, or side jobs. If you didn't have to commute, you'd get that time back. 2. Access to do more. One of the best things about working from home is that people can make their own schedules. You also have more freedom to do things for yourself without someone watching you. If you need to take a call or want to watch videos on YouTube, no one will look at you with disapproving eyes. Several CEOs post shit on Twitter, so I don't understand why an employee can't also work. But during lunch, you can change clothes and go for a run, go to the gym for a quick workout, or do anything else that is harder to do at work. People often think that being seen as good for employees is true, but I have always said that this is just a power struggle. Go do whatever you want during the day. No one should judge you if you run errands in the middle of the day. Heaven forbid you pick up the kids from school or a dog from daycare. It's never easy to get an office from where you are. 3. Less interruptions. As a software engineer, it's especially annoying when someone stops to ask a question when I'm in the middle of fixing a problem, writing documentation, or writing code. Even though I don't have anything against the person, it makes it harder for me to use a messaging system like Slack to answer when it's convenient for me. There will always be things that need to be done right away, but most of the time, general questions that come up aren't that important to answer right away. Everyone works differently, but constant distractions do make people forget what they were doing. On other jobs that require more socializing, like media, I could see it being helpful to have interruptions to get things done. This third point is up to you, but I always think that less is more. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.